Hello guys, welcome to QTP tutorial. In this we are going to test run an application. So what we are going to do, we are going to open a Yahoo Mail. We will try to enter wrong username and password and see whether error message is popped up or not. So it is just a test run. So we will not dig deep into the tool in this tutorial, but we'll see the overview. Okay. So what we are going to do, we are going to just open Firefox, go to mail.yahoo.com. Okay, then we are going to enter incorrect username and password here and click on sign in. Like if I simply write anurag123@yahoo.com and type any incorrect password, and when I click on sign in, an incorrect ID message is displayed on the page. We will check this using a checkpoint whether this message is displayed or not. Alright, so let me just type yahoo.yahoo.com. So here we are going to make a fresh test. We click on new and then click on test. We will use a GUI test and we'll name it as lecture. This is where we can enter the name. This is the location of the test store. Now it has created the basic test structure. This, whenever you are going to make a new test, a default global table and a matching local table will be displayed in the data tab. From here we can parameterize the test. Now I'm going to rename this action as a login test. So what I'm going to do next, I'm just going to record an application. How I'm going to record it? By clicking on record button. It gives us an option either to run on the open browser or to open a URL from here. I am going to select record and run test on any open browser, which will be this Firefox window. I'll just click on apply and click on OK. Now recording has started, and now I can simply write anurag123@yahoo.com and enter any incorrect password and click on sign. See, now this error message has been displayed. Now how we can validate this message? Using this drop point, I can insert a checkpoint. What's a checkpoint is? Checkpoint is used to validate a certain condition on the web page or window app. So here I am just going to put a standard checkpoint. Just check this content. It says that this is a web element, incorrect ID or password. I am just going to say OK. Now I have to select what are the attributes I want to check. These are the attributes, these are the values. I just want to check the inner text and I click on OK. So now my recording has finished. I just click on stop. I have achieved what I want to record, and here all the steps that are generated by the tool. So here it's saying browser is sign in Yahoo, then page, then web edit, and then set. This is like a plain English, like talking that this is the browser, this is a page, this is the web edit where I'm going to store it. So where you can see the mapping, you have to open a object repository. Here you will see the map, browser sign in Yahoo. So this is a browser This is the name, sign in Yahoo. Then this is a classes page. Here you can see that page is there, and this is the name. So this is how it's going to map these objects during runtime. It's going to see that web edit is there in the page and the page is there in the browser. If this is found in the object repository and in the application also, then it's going to set anurag123yahoo.com in the app. So let me just enter the step. First, what we are going to do, we are going to open a browser. Either we can open a browser from there, or we can use systemutil.run. What the browser I want to open, firefox.exe, comma, what's the URL, mail.yahoo.com. So next step, we are going to sync the browser. This will be my second step. For that, I can use browser.sync or browser.page.sync. Third step would be enter username and password in web. So here my username and password is added. Fourth step would be to click on sign in button. Now guys, what is the fifth step? To sync the browser. So when it will hit on sign in, it will again load. I just want to make sure that it gets synced. Now I will use browser dot page dot sync. And now the sixth step, checkpoint, to check my validation. Alright, now guys, I'm going to run this test. When I'm going to run this test, two options are provided. Either I can run the test in the temporary result folder, or I can either save the test in the temporary folder, or I can give a location. Here, as in testing purpose, I'm just going to give it as a temp folder, and I am going to run this. See guys, now I'm going to open the report and says it has passed. You can see all the steps. If you expand this, that login is set, password is set, then sign in click, and then checkpoint is verified. Thank you guys for watching this video.